Last week, on August 21st, 2025, Southwest Florida celebrated a long-awaited milestone. For the first time since Hurricane Ian, boaters were able to launch again from the Punta Rassa Boat Ramp. For those of you who don't know, the ramp is located at the start of the Sanibel Causeway. Look down to the right as you come onto the first bridge and you will see it. And be sure to stay with me until the end of this video because I'll share all the nitty-gritty details you'll need to know. Parking fees, passes and how locals can save money with an annual pass. When Ian struck in September 2022, it wasn't just homes and businesses that were destroyed. We also lost access to some of our most important waterways. Our boating community had to make do with very few ramps, long lines and limited parking. For fishermen, families and charter captains, the water was always right there, but the access was gone. That's why this reopening is so important. But to really appreciate it, you have to know a little bit about Punta Rassa's history. In May of 1975, the Frizzell and Continos families donated 1.5 acres to Lee County under the condition it be developed into a public boat ramp. Construction began soon after. In just about a year, the new ramp was ready. For decades, Punta Rassa has been the gateway for countless fishing trips, family outings, and unforgettable days on the water. And when Hurricane Ian hit, the ramp took a new role, serving as a staging ground for the Florida Department of Transportation during emergency restoration of the Sanibel Causeway. It was a lifeline in our community's recovery. Now it's back in the hands of the people. On August 21st, officials and community members gathered for a ribbon cutting, and by noon of that day, the public was finally able to return. Trucks pulled in, trailers lined up, and boats once again splashed into the Gulf. And that's what makes this ramp so special. Its location is unbeatable, right at the gateway to Sanibel and Captiva, with direct access to the Gulf and Pine Island Sound. And if you'd like to experience these waters but don't have your own boat, don't worry, we've got you covered. You can find a local captain or tour boat through our brand new business and services directory at the sandcapguide.com/directory. It's packed with over 500 island businesses, attractions, restaurants, and places to stay. If you run a business and aren't listed yet, reach out to us at thesandcapguide@gmail.com. We'd love to include you. It's one of the very few boat ramps in our area with ample parking, 93 trailer spots and 22 vehicle-only spots, including ADA accessible spots. That's huge in a region where parking is always at a premium. Today, Punta Rassa is open with the basics: the ramp itself, partial dock access, parking, and restrooms. But even more is on the way. Fully finished docks, a new fish cleaning station, fresh landscaping, and added lighting for evening launches. And now, as promised, here are the details you'll want to know. Parking is $10 for 24 hours, $20 for 48 hours, and $30 for 72 hours. The ramp is open 24 hours a day. Payment is accepted in bills or by credit card. Exact change only, no refunds. If you're a Lee County resident, wait till you hear this deal. You can purchase an annual parking pass for just $60, good for 12 months at select ramps, beaches and parks. As of May 2025, passes are fully digital and linked to your license plate, so no more stickers on your windshield. Your pass doesn't just work at Punta Rassa, it's also valid at 6 other boat ramps, 5 popular parks and preserves across Lee County, and 6 beaches. The beaches include Bowman's Beach on Sanibel and Turner Beach on Captiva Island. That's incredible value for locals who love the outdoors. So here's to Punta Rassa, from its humble beginnings in 1975 to its rolling recovery after Ian, to its triumphant reopening in 2025. This is so much more than a boat ramp. It's a piece of history, our lifestyle, and our future. Here's to new adventures, smooth launches, and the unshakable spirit of Southwest Florida. Thanks for joining us on the Sanibel Captiva guide. Make sure you like and subscribe to get upcoming content. Have a good one, guys.